Hi, my name is Christina Bullock. I am the 2020 Gold winner at Georgia Northwestern Technical College.
And the winner of the Gold Award for 2020 is Christina Bullock.
I felt very blessed when I was announced as the Gold winner because I felt like everybody really cared to hear my story, and I was hoping that maybe I could reach some people around me that were going through the same thing. When I was younger, I had a few setbacks that I didn't expect, so I knew that I needed to get an education to further my success in life. I decided to join Georgia Northwestern's community because I was helping take care of my dad, who was battling lung cancer at the time, also working a full-time job and going to school full-time, so it was a very good choice for me. I knew I wanted to be in the medical field, and Georgia Northwestern offers an accredited ultrasound program, and I chose echocardiography to help people around me. In class, I learned that cardiac disease is the #1 killer in America, and being in echocardiography means that I can contribute to a decrease in that number. The instructors are very kind, patient, and you get a lot of one-on-one time, which is very important when you're going into such a high-paced field like echocardiography. I don't think technical education has to be a last resort. It can be your first choice when deciding where you would like to get an education. And being at Georgia Northwestern in an accredited program means that you will be able to get a job quickly out of graduation. I hope that my story has impacted you and encourages you to explore the options that are available for you at Georgia Northwestern Technical College.